Hey beauty bears, welcome back to another video on my channel. How are y'all doing? So for today's video I'll be doing a pink set. I can't learn last I did a pink set here on my channel, so today I decided I'm going to do a pink set. This pink set don't really have a name. Am I the only one who have this issue? You do a design and you can't come up with a name for the design. So this is just a pink set, a regular pink set. So for today's video I'll be using 3 acrylics. At the starting I used 3 acrylics, 3 from Mere Secret, and then I don't know the other brand. It's Hollywood. The color is Hollywood pink, but I don't know the brand. If I do, go and check for the brand. I'll insert it on screen hopefully, or insert it in the description. But yeah, so I'll be working with 3 colors from Mere Secret and that Hollywood acrylic pink. So usually, I don't know why I usually do this, like jump into the video. I don't give an intro like what the nails are looking like and before the process to that nail. I don't know why. I just like jumping into the videos. But you guys see it on the thumbnail, so I mean, hey, it's not a big deal. So if this is your very first time here on my channel, hi, welcome to BareBeauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Tap the bell right beside the subscribe button so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week, and I don't have a designated time to posting, so ensure that the bell is turned on. And also follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services. So yeah, interesting stuff. So today I am going between colors. One finger will have ice cream, one will have cake, and then I'll mix it up on the pinky finger. So usually I don't tend to do my thumb on camera due to the fact that I need to kind of work out what I'll be doing for the video. So my ring, if you guys notice that my thumb is usually not exactly like the other fingers, the rest of the fingers, is because I did a test and I was like, okay, alright, I like this, so I'm going to follow through with this. So the colors that I said I will be using is from Mere Secret. These colors are pigmented. If you're going to go and purchase these colors as a beginner, I will recommend you to purchasing these colors so you're able to stretch these colors. These colors are perfect. And I think one thing that I dislike about these colors, it's not a strong dislike, is that I don't like it. So when I take out the acrylic, it's very flat. There's no thickness to it. It's just flat. And I mean, some persons would like it because it's a better control, but I don't like it. So like when you have like clear, it works like clear. Because there's not much product in the acrylic. In the clear acrylic, it doesn't come out as bulky, but the other acrylics, they tend to come out a little bit more bulky than the clear, if you guys take notice. So yeah, that's one thing that I don't like about it, and I guess that's why I said it can work as a pigment color, because this is very flat, and that's the only thing. Quality, pigment, everything, application is there. I am in love with it. So I'll be repeating this method on the other finger. I don't have much to say right now, so when I am back to the interested part, I will join you guys and tell you guys, walk you guys through what I'm doing, my thought process and everything. I hope you guys enjoy, because if you guys do enjoy, go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, and in the meantime that I'm not talking, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services. Moving on, I'll be taking the pinkest pink. I want to believe that it's the pinkest pink. I don't think it's the pinkest pink though, but it's a pink. This is a local brand user. I must say that this color it's quite funny. It's very, very, very funny, and I realized with the 5 purchase that I made with this brand right here is that, I mean, at first I didn't know what to expect from a gel application. I genuinely did not know what to expect, so I purchased, thought, okay, all right, these colors should be bomb, but the colors are bomb, but when you do apply them to the nail, you'll see when I start polishing the pointer finger, you will see the result that I'm talking about. Like, it starts separating. I had to go over it like numerous of times. I mean, it was starting to, you know, bubble, all sorts of stuff. I sealed it for a longer time so it'll be able to dry. It was doing a whole lot, but anyways, besides that, I'll be going, there's some set of the nails that I'm actually inspired by. Well, this nail set that was BITCH. I was inspired by that, so I decided to do something similar. I didn't want to have the BITCH. I am not that bold right now, so yeah. So I did Slay with some lips, and I think that's about it. Very interesting, very fun set actually. I feel like every set that I do on my channel is something that I'm comfortable with and I like. So yeah, there's nothing much to these nails. I have written Slay on the nails, on the ring and the middle finger, and then I'll bling out the nails. I won't show that part because it was time consuming. Like, sis, it was a lot of time. So that's what I did for these nails. Yes, I've mentioned in the previous clip that you will see me switching. I did not know. It just didn't fit the set, so I decided that I'll do going with white. So this is what I'm talking about. You can, if you look closely, you will see the nail very bumpy. And I said that this is the last time. I'm not going to rub off this gel polish right now, so I'm just going to follow through with my design. But also I'm ordering some gel polishes, so I should be fine within the next month or so, 2 weeks to a month or so. So yeah, so I didn't mind it. So for the lips, I'm going in with pink, which is the pinkest pink, I think. And then for the quote unquote cherries, I'll be doing champagne popping, and that's about it. Nothing interesting. I'll matte the nails, I'll matte the lip nails and the nails that's written with Slay on it, and then every other nail is blinged out besides the sum, and that's about it. Nothing, you know, too extra. So yeah, so guys, if this is your very first time here on my channel, hi, welcome to BareBeauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, because I'm here trying to have an awesome day. If this is your very first time watching my channel and you like what I do, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services, and that's about it. I hope you guys like what I did for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and yeah, and share it with your friends. And that's about it, and I want to say thank you guys for watching today's video. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's for